Hi, my name is Talia Schmidt, and I'm the co-founder of Eco Schools Leadership Initiative, or ESLI. Today, we will be doing Tree Scavenger Hunt. The objective of Tree Scavenger Hunt is that students are able to understand the importance of trees, identify trees on school grounds, and practice observation skills. Prep. Volunteers must review location of specific trees and functions or fun facts of each tree. This information can be obtained from the Field Guide to Fairfax County's Plants and Wildlife or other given materials found on our website. Before instructors meet with younger students, they collect one leaf, piece of bark, flower, or fruit from each tree for each group of students. Group sizes will be determined based on the number of educators. Each educator should have one of each fruit, flower, or bark from each tree. Engaging intro. Students are seated and instructor asks questions. Do you have a favorite tree at home or at school? Was there a tree that you sat by a couple weeks ago that you loved? Close your eyes and think about it. Students and ESLI volunteers can share out a special tree and why they love it afterwards. Trees are unique. They come in many shapes and sizes, and different trees grow in different parts of the world. What are examples of native plants, non-native plants? Trees come in many shapes and sizes. What are ways that help us identify trees? Leaf characteristics, bark characteristics.
Red maple is a good way to tell that it is a red maple is at any point during the year there will always be some part of the tree that's red. So like this time midsummer it's the stems, and then in the fall it'll be the leaves, and then in the spring it'll be the little propeller seeds. So there's always a part of the red maple that's red, which really helps identify it. And as the tree grows up, the younger bark at the top will always be smooth, whereas the older bark will be rough, and that's a good way to tell it apart, how it differentiates with age. So down here it's rough, and then if you look out on these branches, it's really smooth.
Exploratory activity. Step 1. Groups of students split evenly among instructors. Step 2. Each instructor shows their small group of students the different symbols of each tree, such as the leaf, the bark, the flower, or the fruit of the tree, and the groups walk around their school campus to try and find the matching tree. Step 3. Once the students identify a tree, the instructor can discuss some fun facts about the tree to the students. All instructors will be provided with a tree ID sheet ahead of time. Meaningful discussion. Ask these questions to your students as you sit down in a circle. What are some of your favorite trees you found? Why do we need trees? Some answers include the fact that trees are beautiful, trees provide a home or habitat to animals, trees clean our water, trees give us products such as wood, paper, fruits, and fabrics, and trees produce oxygen.